What's good, everybody? My name is Bram and welcome to my channel. So today I'm back. I was taking a little bit of a YouTube hiatus just to go and get my mind right in the middle of this pandemic. A lot of things are going on, so I'm back and I'm ready to share with you some more content. So today I wanted to share with you of what I do to maintain my brows. I'll be doing a little bit of a grooming routine video of how I trim my eyebrows and how I shave my beard at home. You can do the same for less than I think 100 bob, because the supplies that I got are very cheap and affordable and anyone can access them. So I wanted to share with you these tips because I find it to be very cool when you can do these sort of things by yourself and not having to rely on someone to do them for you. So I wanted to share with you this routine, and also I got myself some clippers, and initially I was doing it because I was being a little bit frugal, but I'm just doing it nowadays by myself, shaving my own beard and doing my own brows just for the sake of avoiding very crowded places because of what is going on right now. So I wanted to share with you how I trim my brows and how I shave my own beard. And also don't forget to like, subscribe and share because your boy is back and I'll be doing more content, and stay tuned for that. So let's get for combing out your eyebrows so that you sort of have like a clear picture of what you're doing with yourself so that you don't mess yourself up. So you're just going to comb them out and apply a little bit of I think I'm going to first apply some olive oil. Have some you can use any oil of your choice, but I prefer to use olive oil first because that's what I have. So now I'm going to get my razor and I'm going to move a little bit closer. So what you want to do is to get rid of the excessive growing eyebrows, because my eyebrows are very bushy and I like to maintain them like in a shape that looks very natural, like not overdone, so that the eyebrows look so weird. So I'm just going to show you. This is the Gillette. So what you're going to do is to get very close to where the excessive or where the new growth is, like underneath here, so that you have like a little bit of a shape going all through. So you're just going to go in a downward motion, and as you can see there's already, and pull your skin a little bit so that you can get a good shave out of it. And anyone knows once you get your brows down, there's like a huge difference in your face, like everything looks different. So now I'm going to go to the top part of this left side of my eyebrows and just give just going to comb it out with this toothbrush. I know it's a little bit ghetto to use like an old toothbrush, but this is what works for me, and it has been working well for so many years. So this is what I'm going to use as well, and I'm not ashamed to have like this. Everyone has those ghetto routines that work for you, but this is what so ghetto, but it works for me. As you can see, they're not like over the top. They have so I'm just going to move on to the So I'm already done with my eyebrows, so I'm going to move on to shaving off like this beard, and I'm gonna film it. I already feel like a huge difference. I've not done like the most, and my eyebrows still look very natural and very masculine. They're not like looking too feminine, like too thin, or like, yeah, they look good. I love the results. Some rubbing alcohol or spirit, that's what people call them, means methylated spirit or whatever. You're going to put like a little bit, the white one, and you're just going to rub them over so that you don't get that irritation or like those very annoying tiny pimples, and you're good to go. You can feel that burn because that's like the exposed skin that has been shaved off. Yeah, of like this white spirit. Initially, it was very difficult for me to do it, but after like the first 2 attempts, I became really good at it. So I just got rid of like this bottom part, and it's very difficult for you to cut yourself once you get used to it. I've been doing it for like 6 months or even close to a year, and I've never cut myself. It's just all about the precision and how you hold the clippers, and because my beard grows back really fast, like I used to go to like the barber to get them like trimmed like after a week, and I realized I was spending a lot of time and money doing that, so just decided to get my own clippers. I got mine for like 2K, I think, in a store in River Road. They sell these electronics, and I decided, initially I got this for like shaving my hair, but I didn't want to take that risk, so I decided to just be using it to shave my clippers and maybe like trimming off my sideburns, and that's what I've been using it for ever since. So get that part. And you want to give like yourself like the touch that you feel where you've left some hairs. I know my hair looks like a mess because it's my day off and I'm just chilling in the house, but don't mind that. So just going to begin in this motion and shave off anything that grows on this side of my face so that it gets rid of everything. I don't feel any hair here, so what I'm going to do is just go over it like this. Should I get the mustache? Should this go? Yes, it's gonna go. So I think I've gotten everything, so I'm just going to apply like some of the methylated spirit or surgical white spirit, the clear one. so that I don't get any razor bumps. And after this, I'm going to go and exfoliate my skin. I use the coffee soap. I have like a skincare routine. They're among my previous videos, and I'm going to be putting like the skincare routine video of what I do after I shave my face. My skincare routine, I like to exfoliate, and it's in that video of how I exfoliate. I use the coffee soap, and it has been working well for me. I don't use any chemical exfoliants, but I'm planning to do so. And let me go and get my aftershave. So this is the aftershave. This is the aftershave that I use, Vassman aftershave. And I'm going to like apply like a little amount, and then I'm going to wash my face and exfoliate, because as you can see down here, there's some dead skin that I want to get rid of after exfoliating. So guys, that marks the end of the video, and if you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and like, subscribe, and share to my channel. So thank you so much, and see y'all in my next video. And if you like more of these grooming videos, like routine kind of videos, let your boy know in the comment section. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.